lang. Magkakilala kami.
Ayaw niya ibigay sa akin yung number niya. Sabi niya, ba't ko bibigay yung number ko sa'yo? Hindi naman kita kilala.
Ewan ko, biglang nagbibigay na siya ng flowers. Pero di ko naman siya kilala.
Crazy, the way you save me, who could blame me when I just wanna make you smile? I wanna do you like Michael.
Congratulations. Kasi ako ang pinili mong pakasalan.
Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind.
Gampay na mga ninong gap.
I'm one of a kind, living in a world gone plastic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic. Oh, a dozen roses.
Regalo. Mabigat, mabigat. Wow! Be, alam ko na kung anong oras ako uuwi. Kasi talagang hindi ako nagsusuot ng orasan para wala akong curfew.
Down the aisle. I wanna do you like Michael. I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it all like
Tanghaling tapat!
Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind. Thinking I was through in the wrong time. It's love I rewind. Everything was so full package. I kinda like it how you're out of my league.
Alam kong masaya ka, deserve mo yan. At syempre, mamaya, bunsuan na. I love you.
Classic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic.
Love. Thank you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for sa lahat ng pagmamahal mo unconditionally para sa akin. Simula sa araw na to, lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako sa tabi mo.
Said it's improbable, the chances of me finding you. Nobody knows.
Love, unang-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord kasi pinagtagpo niya tayo at itinadhana.
It's like we're home. My bones are safe and my heart can rest, knowing it belongs to you. You. My world is changed and it's cradled by the comfort that is you. 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 My love.
Kaya mahalaga na at lagi niyong tatandaan na kayo'y nakasal, hindi dahil sa kagustuhan ninyo, kundi ito ay pagtugon ninyo sa pinagkatiwala sa inyo ng Diyos na kinakailangang itayo ang isang sambahayang ang nakasentro ay ang Panginoon.
Know that I am at the palm of your hands. No, we're unstoppable. Nobody knows.
Mahal kita at mas mamahalin pa kasama yung gabay ng anak natin. Ito na yun.
Like we're home. My bones are safe and my heart can rest, knowing it belongs to you. You.
Anak, sa lahat ng pinagdaanan natin, at long last, ito na yon.
Yes!
You can do it. We can do it.
You. 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 heart and rest, knowing it belongs to you. A world is
Congratulations, anak, sa inyong pagsasama. Gawin ninyong sentro ang ating Panginoon. Pagpatuloy niyo lang yung inyong pagsisikap para matupad niyo yung inyong mga pangarap.
you, 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 you.
Thank you for loving me for more than what I've deserved. Thank you for always understanding me and for always staying by my side. Even sa hardships, ikaw yung nagiging sandalan ko.
I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Siguro, pag napanood mo tong video na to, sigurado ako Mrs. Mendoza ka na. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Yun nga, yung isa sa pinakamasaya namin nung nagka-baby kami, na nalaman kong buntis siya noon. Sinabi niya sa akin na buntis siya. Tuwan-tuwa ako.
Parang naging sandalan namin yung isa't isa. Lalo na nung, ayun yung nagka-baby kami. Tapos, hindi naman natuloy.
Medyo, yun talaga yung isa sa pinakamasakit na pangyayari sa amin nung nawala yung baby namin.
Nalagpasan naman namin lahat ng hirap, lahat ng, alam mo yun, yung sakit, kung paano namin isa-survive yung lungkot. Ayun, magaan lang lahat pag kasama siya.
Ang lagi ko naman sinasabi sa kanya, basta hanggat magkasama tayo, lahat ng problema, lahat ng pagsubok, makakayanan natin.
When you could go.
Ako yung magsisilbing lakas mo sa oras na mahina ka. Tandaan mo lang na nandito ako at iisa na tayo. Kasi deserve mo lahat ng pagmamahal.
Nagpapasalamat din ako sa'yo kasi sa hirap, saya, lungkot at ginhawa, sa mga problema, pagsubok na dumaan, naandyan ka at hindi mo ako iniwang mag-isa.
We still spoke to God. Oh, when did we stop missing things?
Do not think you can have your happily ever after without some blood, some sweat, some tears. We have a good marriage because we work on it. You will have a good marriage because you work on it 365 days.
I've tasted eternity. Sweetness my tongue is narrow. Felt an ache deep down in my bones. It proves there's something more. I've heard stories from time. The song is pure as light, sung by a king with eyes that burn, for a bride to be taken in the night. Past.
Alam mong hindi ako mahilig mangako kasi natatakot ako na ang pangako ko ay hindi ko matupad. Pero ngayon, meron lang akong isang pangako na talagang tutuparin ko. Yun ay mahalin ka ng sobra-sobra ng higit pa sa inaasahan mo. Yun lang, I love you.
Huwag ka nang malungkot kasi alam kong masaya naman si tatay, si Elise, at nandito lang ako lagi. I love you.
Maybe eternity is all